All right, we are in Talkeetna today in front of the Talkeetna post office. And this is a quaint little town, a lot of little shops and things around. You can take air charters and I don't know what else.
I believe fishing as well.
It's described as a funky little town.
A funky little town. So here we are, today's June 29th in Talkeetna. See ya. We are going to make a new intro for the Journey to Alaska YouTube series featuring the 4 nomads. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
So we want you to continue following our journey. We'll see you later.
Bye.
All right.
This is the Talkeetna, Alaska hippies bus. There's the train. So y'all want to do this sign?
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to beautiful downtown Talkeetna. We are here at the Welcome to Talkeetna sign. And I hope you can see the tribe. It's raining on us now, so we'll see how this works out. Downtown Talkeetna. Here's the Blue Moose gift shop. Homestead Kitchen, Roadhouse. We're looking for the Talkeetna Bread Company. Talkeetna Roadhouse, Lodging, Meals, and Bakery. I was trying to get that before. My GoPro died on me. And there is the spinach bread. That's what we're looking for. That's it. K2 Glacier Landings, we heard about them. People have taken that before. Talkeetna spinach bread. It's supposed to be some good stuff. What's the story about this Talkeetna spinach bread?
I don't know. A and K ate it and they said you have to try it. So if they say you have to try it, we'll try it.
That was A and K?
That was A and K.
Get the spinach bread.
Amanda!
Spinach bread loaf.
Thank you.
Spinach bread loaf.
Spinach bread. It's not a loaf. It's just a piece of spinach bread.
Alright, so here we go. This is the spinach bread we've been waiting for. And it's quite good. Here's another look at the spinach bread. It is delicious and worth the trip. We're on the riverbank here in Talkeetna. I don't know if you can tell how fast this water is moving, but it is brisk. Very swift current. The rain continued, and we decided that the best thing for us to do is just kind of walk back to the truck. Wanted to show you just a few sights in town as we do that, and kind of sum up that this is really a happening place. A lot of let's call current culture folks there, as you could see, more of a hippie vibe than anything else. But you know, it was worth the trip to come up there. We could have taken some charter trips, airplane trips. Just didn't do that. We didn't take the time to do that. We had so many other things we want to do on this trip, so we called it. We cut it short and headed back to the campground, Centennial Park.